Hello and welcome back to Touch Crypto for another video. And in today's video, we're going to be jumping back into Jasmy. And as we can see right now, Jasmy is looking like we're about to coil up to literally break this level and go all the way there or all the way to the very top. And if you'd like to find out where I reckon that Jasmy is going to head, then please stick around for the show because this is going to be a good one. So let's roll the intro. Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video, and we're going to be diving right back into Jasmy, as Jasmy seems to be one of those popular low value coin that everyone's looking to buy up very quickly. And the great thing about Jasmy is all you got to do is look at this chart. This is like a nice juicy candle certain charts that's looking like we're about to break up from this long consolidation area there, and once we do, we should be easily expecting Jasmy to hit around about 3 cents. Now this would be a really insane move to be had, but before we do so, obviously we need to break through this area over here of liquidity. I'm going to zoom in further into the chart, and as we can see, the first area that we need to break is obviously the green resistance line that I have drawn up for your attention, because as you can see, we've tested here multiple times, and as we looked across, we actually went further down, so this become our support line. So that's how I draw my resistance and support. And as we look across, it looked like we actually retested the resistance. We came back down, but now we actually formed a lovely green candle over here. It is almost like a a shooting star, which is not the best at the minute, but as long as we do hold a green candle before the end of the day, so that means if this weekly candle remains green, then hopefully the next candle should be turn into green. So that means we should be expecting at least another retest from the top of that resistance. Even if you're going for a trade now, which I reckon is still pretty a decent trade to enter, just got to check a couple of conditions first, which I'd like to share with you today in this video. Right, so from the current price of 0.005331, that means if we do expect to hit the resistance line, that will take us to 0.007482. That should give us a 40% move to the upside, and this would be quite a decent trade. If you were to do a lower leverage like 2-3x, the 2x, that's 80% move to the upside, or if you do a 3x, that's already 120%. That would be a lovely Wawawia trade to be had. But I reckon that if we do break up and retest the resistance, then we should quite easily be making our way back up to at least around about 2 cents. But I reckon with the amount of people that actually buying up all the Jasmy, that we should be expecting, to be fair, anywhere between 2 to 3 cents of a 4 cent move. Now this trade would be a humongous one if that was the case. Let's bring out the measuring tool once again from where we are at the current price. Even if we do go up all the way to, I'm predicting roughly around about 3 cents or nearly 4 cents, that's already 589% move to the upside, and that is really insane. All you gotta do is just 2x leverage that. That's already over 1100%, and that would be really insane. But looking a bit deeper into the Jasmy chart itself, we are still stuck between this range over here. However, because we already retested the resistance, it looked like we came back down, but we didn't. We get the error, but we didn't exactly went all the way back down to the support, and we're being bought up in this area. So by checking the volume of the chart and also the volume within the coin, I can see us quite literally blowing out of this area to retest once again, but this time hopefully we should be able to break up. Now even me as a trader, I always wait for a chart that is on its verge of retesting or touching it before I enter. I don't like to predict, I only like to react to the market, and that way it gives me a higher winning probability when I come down to trading crypto, FX, or even stock. But I do prefer my crypto and FX, just as a disclaimer. This is not a financial advice, this is something which I'm doing, which I'd like to share with my audiences from the YouTube world to show you how I trade, and if you like how I explain and also my strategies, I'd love to share my thought process and also the way that I trade in general. Right, so this is what I'm looking for in terms of the bullish sentiments of the charts. However, I'd like to also discuss what could be possible a bearish move as well. If we do break below this red wick over here, then we should be expecting a further move to the downside. Either way, guys, what I'm going to do, let me get the rectangle. And this is the most important area of interest, because if you do break down, we should be expecting more further to the downside with the view of us retesting back once again all the way up to there. Or otherwise, if we do break up from where we are, we should be expecting more of a move like this, followed by maybe going sideways for a little bit, and then once we do actually break up from here, then I'll be entering the trade straight away. That'll be my first profit target there, and then if we react really well in this area of cluster and we break up, I'm still going to be holding my trade regardless to roughly around about 3 cents to 4 cents, and that would be a humongous move there itself. So I hope you found this quick video useful and informative. If you do like my video, then please give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications if you update with all of my videos, and most importantly, if you do like my content, please subscribe over here. And if you'd like to watch more videos, please click over here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers, bye.